Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can unlock a SAP user account. Say for example, you can see over here, this is the SAP user account which is locked. We cannot log in with this user account anymore. You can see it is showing the message, password logon no longer possible, too many failed attempts. This SAP user has been locked. Now I will show you how we can unlock it. To unlock the user account, log in with your SAP user account or IDES user account. Either you can log in with your SAP user account or use this user account IDES. Give the password. Here give the T code as U01. The user which you want to unlock, give the username. And click on this icon to unlock it. Locked due to incorrect logon attempts. Click on this unlock icon to unlock the user account. Now the user account is unlocked. Now we can log in with this user account. Let us check it. In the same manner, if you want to lock a user account, enter the user account and click over here and you can lock it from here. The user account has been unlocked. Let us check it now. We are able to successfully unlock the user account. You can contact me for installing SAP IDES EC6 and SAP S/4HANA on your PC or server or network or cloud, or set up your own SAP server on internet. It will have the master data, lifetime validity year 9999, ABAP developer key and FIORI in it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.